What is going on, guys? Can you believe this? I can't believe just this past weekend we hit 20,000 subscribers. 20,000, that's crazy. I never thought that we would get to 20,000, so I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, for checking out these videos. And not only am I thankful, but I just want to encourage you guys. You know, when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't know if it would even go anywhere. It was kind of an experiment. In addition to just wanting to help people out, I thought, you know, is this really possible? How do these people, you know, grow YouTube channels, and how do they, you know, develop a good following, and how can they make enough income to live off a YouTube channel? So I'm not there yet, but we're working on it. And 20,000, I mean, that was just something that couldn't even fathom when I got started. So, I mean, you know, it takes time and consistency, but I want to encourage you that if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, that you can do it too. It just takes a lot of hard work, being consistent, and you just got to stick to it. But it's amazing. It's a great feeling to know that I'm helping so many people out there, and I want to just encourage you guys that if you're trying to grow your channel, just stick with it, and in time you will grow a great YouTube channel as well. So just a quick thank you to you guys for subscribing to the channel. I hope to bring you a lot more great content. Where are we going with this channel? Well, we've got all the DaVinci Resolve stuff that I love teaching you guys, and I love learning myself. So we got more DaVinci Resolve coming up. We have the Quick Tip Tuesday series, which is mostly DaVinci Resolve, but it may move into any kind of quick tip related to YouTube or DaVinci Resolve, filming, that kind of stuff. Just quick tips that are going to just help you guys in your journey as a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or whatever it might be. And then we also have our YouTuber Tips series, where I'm just sharing tips and tricks and really answering your questions about how to start or grow a YouTube channel. Because if you're like me, you got tons of questions when you got started. Anything from how do I film, what do I use for lights, to how do I monetize my channel, how do I be consistent, all kinds of different stuff. So if you have any questions on that, definitely leave a comment in one of those videos. So just thank you guys, and I look forward to making more videos for you, and hopefully we'll see you at the next 30,000, 40,000, 50. I don't know, 50 seems like a long shot, but hey, you never know. I'm going to keep working at it, and my goal is to help as many of you as I can and continue to grow this channel. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace!